Hey everyone, Huawei has officially launched the MateBook GT 14, a cutting-edge notebook that raises the bar in performance, design, and AI-driven productivity. Featuring an Intel Core Ultra processor, up to 32 gigs of RAM, and innovative AI capabilities, this laptop is tailored for professionals, gamers, and creatives. With pre-orders now open, early buyers can secure this high-performance device before its official release. The MateBook GT 14 makes an impression with its sleek, professional aesthetic. It boasts an ultra-thin wedge-shaped metallic body, a refined waistline, and comes in two premium colors, Moonlight Silver and Space Gray. The glowing Huawei logo on the back adds a touch of flair, illuminating when the laptop is opened. Huawei also incorporates a straight air outlet for efficient cooling, while the curved mirror design gives the device a distinctive star trail effect when opened or closed. The laptop's display is another standout feature. The 14.2-inch OLED screen delivers a resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels, a 144 Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1000 nits, providing an immersive and vibrant viewing experience. With ultra-narrow bezels that give the screen a 91.2% screen-to-body ratio, users will enjoy enhanced visuals whether they're gaming, designing, or streaming content. The 3:2 aspect ratio, combined with P3 and Adobe RGB color gamuts, ensures accurate and rich color reproduction. Furthermore, the display supports 10-point touch functionality, enhancing its versatility for creative professionals and multitaskers alike. Under the hood, the MateBook GT 14 is powered by Intel's latest Core Ultra processors, offering 3 chipset options. The first general Intel Core Ultra 9 185H, first general Intel Core Ultra 7 155H, and first general Intel Core Ultra 5 125H. These chips, along with up to 32 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of internal storage, allow the laptop to handle high-performance tasks such as gaming, 3D video editing, and professional data analysis. Huawei claims that the MateBook GT 14 outperforms its predecessor, the MateBook 14S 2023, with significant improvements in file management, simulation speed, and gaming performance. AI plays a central role in the MateBook GT 14's appeal. With the introduction of AI Space, Huawei integrates several intelligent features aimed at improving productivity. AI Minutes automatically records and summarizes meeting notes, while AI Subtitles offer real-time translations during multilingual meetings. AI Eyes optimizes users' appearance during video calls by recognizing their iris movements and enhancing photogenicity. All these AI-driven features are powered by Huawei's Pangu Big model, ensuring seamless multitasking for busy professionals. Huawei's Super Device technology enables the MateBook GT 14 to connect effortlessly with other Huawei devices like smartphones and tablets, allowing for smooth file transfers and collaboration across devices. This cohesive ecosystem enhances user productivity and convenience. For users requiring advanced graphical capabilities, the MateBook GT 14 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a discrete high GT Cube graphics card, alongside an Intel Sharp graphics GPU, delivering the power needed for 3D rendering, gaming, and other graphics-intensive tasks. The combination ensures smooth and efficient performance across a wide range of professional and recreational activities. Battery life is another area where the MateBook GT 14 excels. It houses a 70 watt-hour battery with 140 watt fast charging support. Just 10 minutes of charging can provide up to 3 hours of work time, making it highly practical for users on the go. In terms of connectivity, the MateBook GT 14 offers an array of ports, including USB-C, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI, and an SD card slot. Other features include a 1080p HD front camera, a fingerprint power button, dual speakers, and a full-size backlit keyboard. The laptop also features advanced cooling technology, including second-gen FinFan technology, and a 1000-hole dot matrix air inlet backed by a metallized graphene structure for effective heat dissipation. The MateBook GT 14 is now available for pre-order in several configurations, with prices starting at 7,499 yuan or around $1,000. The high-end model with the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, 32 gigs of RAM, and 2 terabytes of storage, is priced at 10,999 yuan or approximately $1,500. With its blend of AI innovations, top-tier performance, and sleek design, the Huawei MateBook GT 14 stands out as a premium choice for users seeking power, productivity, and style in a laptop. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and see you soon.